Are you a student that has struggled with writing your whole life? You never how to organize it or how to get started? Or a teacher struggling to read disorganized essays? Hi, my name is Karen Wong, here with Jay Bingaman, with a new exciting offer from South 7th Science. Jay?
Thank you, Karen. I am so excited to be with you here today. I have something for you I think you're going to be really excited with. What we have inside this box is going to change your life. Take a look at this with me. Inside this box, the most amazing thing.
A C.
That's right, a C.
And how is this C going to change our lives? What does this represent?
This C represents claim.
That's right, that C stands for claim. Your claim needs to be clear so that your audience can't misunderstand what you mean. Make your claim specific. You can also make your claim complete by using all of the ideas in the question so that your audience knows what you're saying even if they don't know the question. But don't stop there. You can make your claim concise by leaving out any unneeded words like I think or maybe. Let's take a closer look at those 3 C's in action. Clear. Does not use vague words such as they, stuff, it, and thing. Complete means rephrases the original question and answers the main question. And concise means to the point. No unnecessary words such as based on my lab or according to my data. Do not use first person such as I think or I believe.
Is that all we really need to write a scientific explanation?
Oh no, but wait, there's more. To help you back up your claim, we have the E.
Wow, an E. And what does E represent?
E is going to represent evidence.
That E does stand for evidence. In this step, you get to take your own data from your own data table and through our patented writing system, turn it into your words. You can take numbers and observations from your lab and put them into your very own explanation. This will prove your claim is correct by backing your claim with evidence.
So we have our claim and we have our evidence. And is this all that we have for our viewers today?
Oh no, that's not all. For a special time today only, we have one more thing for you.
An R.
That's right. R stands for reasoning.
That reasoning step is a big one. Here you can have the chance to explain your entire thought process. With the complete CER system, you can use a scientific principle to connect your evidence to your claim. Don't just leave the audience to guess what you're thinking. Explain it with CER. Here's a little bit more about reasoning. Let's look at a sample of our patented system in use. Here you see the student writes, properties are characteristics of a substance that do not change. Different substances have different properties. Since the fat melted at 56.6 degrees Celsius and the soap's melting point has to be above 95.5 degrees Celsius, they do not have the same melting point. Melting point is a property that tells you what temperature a solid becomes liquid. Since the property of melting point is not the same for soap and fat, they cannot be the same substance. Notice how they quote the whole scientific principle word for word, not just parts of it. Then our student follows it up with explaining the link between their claim and evidence based on the principle. The principle mentions properties, so the student explains that melting point is a property. What better way to show that melting points are good evidence to support the claim that soap and fat are different substances?
Now's a great time to hear some testimonials from some real-life CER users.
Before CER, the students' writing was so disorganized. But now with CER, when they have a clear claim, evidence, and reasoning, it is so much easier to read, and the students are way more confident in their writing.
What can be better than using these 3 easy steps to write your explanations? All you need to do is start with your claim, back it with evidence, and then explain your reasoning with the scientific principle.
I use CER to write all of my scientific explanations.
I use CER to write for all of my classes. I use CER to write letters to Justin Timberlake.
So now students can feel great and confident about their writing. They even enjoy writing now. And teachers love seeing the organization in writing and confidence in the students. Is that all we have for our viewers today, Mr. Bingaman?
Oh no, we have a very special offer for our viewers today. If you check out the web address at the bottom of our screen right now, we have a very special offer for our viewers today.
Well, what is this offer?
Well, you know, some would pay as much as $99 for a system like this. But for today only, if you go to this site, we're going to give it to you absolutely free.
Are you talking about free CER outlines and templates?
That's right. The complete CER template package is all yours for free if you go to this website right now.
That sounds like an offer that you can't pass up.
CER.